Hello and welcome to e-GMAT. We will solve question number 68 of OG Verbal 2nd edition by using e-GMAT 3-step process. In the first step, we will understand the meaning of the sentence. In the second, we will evaluate the errors in the sentence, and finally, we will review all the answer choices to get to the correct answer. So let's begin. By offering lower prices and a menu of personal communications options such as caller identification and voicemail, the new telecommunications company has not only captured customers from other phone companies but also forced them to offer competitive prices. This sentence presents a few facts. It says that the new telecommunications company offers lower prices and several personal communications facilities such as caller identification and voicemail. By doing so, it has done two things. It has captured customers from its competitors, and at the same time, it has forced these competitors to offer competitive prices. Now let us evaluate the errors by splitting this sentence into its clauses. Well, this sentence has only one subject verb pair, which means we have only one clause here. The new telecommunications company is the subject and has not captured and forced are the verbs. The pronoun them in this sentence is ambiguous. It has two possible referents, customers and other phone companies. Logically, it should refer to other phone companies, but its placement is such that it seems to refer to customers, which is illogical. Now, the sentence reads as A has not only captured customers but also forced them to do something. Now here, them and customers are at similar positions in the sentence. Both are objects of the two verbs in not only and but also. Thus, due to grammatical placement, them appears to illogically modify customers, which leads to pronoun error in this sentence. Well, this is the only error here, and let's run the POE to find out what's the correct answer. Well, choice A is certainly not correct as we discussed just now. In choice B, captured customers is not parallel to it also forced. Now, the entities following both the markers must be logically and grammatically parallel. Here, logically, these two entities are parallel, but grammatically, they are not. Also, here we see the same pronoun error as in choice A. So, these errors make choice B incorrect. Well, choice C is the correct answer because now pronoun them has been replaced with these companies. So there is no scope of any ambiguity here, and we know that the new telecommunications company have forced these companies to offer competitive prices. So choice C is the correct answer. Let's take a look at choice D. Well, in choice D, has captured is not parallel to these companies. Especially here, the second entity can be very well written in active voice to make it absolutely grammatically parallel to the first entity, but it is not the case here, and hence choice D is incorrect. In choice E, simple past tense captured is not correct. The two verb tenses used in the sentence must belong to the same timeline as both the actions occur simultaneously. Per the context of the sentence, both the tenses must be written in present perfect tense. Also, this choice repeats the same parallelism error as in choice B. Hence, choice C is the correct answer for this sentence. This brings us to the takeaway messages now. All the pronouns in the sentence must have clear antecedents. Also, the entities preceding or and following the markers must be grammatically as well as logically parallel to each other. We must use correct verb tense to denote the correct timing of the actions in the sentence. The concepts tested in this sentence have been covered in e-GMAT Concepts Level 1 Pronoun, Level 1 Verb Tenses 1 and Level 2 Parallelism Comparisons.